it a coincidence that another lot of leaders, just for pointing out to the problems within the Congress party, are now facing the music? In fact, what I found amazing was the WhatsApp chat in the Congress group that Shakeel Ahmed ji put out, that his house should be attacked. Now, is this democracy? Even the mention of the fact that there should be introspection or improvement in the functioning of the Congress party is absolutely unbearable within the Congress party?
Navika, I need to be very candid. Looking at the environment in this country, and you and I have debated this on Times Now itself, calls for genocide, amount of hate speeches. You have seen, what's happening in Uttarakhand and Assam, in Uttar Pradesh, the bulldozer politics. It's been ugly, it's been vicious. I think the minorities in this country are getting pulverized into smithereens.
Tagore has said you are batch of 2018.
Yeah, just a minute. Sheza, just a minute.
But you have been called batch of 2018, Jaychand.
That's all right. I just believe that the Congress party is politically got to be a lot more bolder. This is the time to proudly say that we are secular. We are going to be protecting the minorities who are... Just a minute, Shehzad, don't interrupt, man. All I'm going to say is this is the time for the Congress party to actually be more imaginative and bold. Please do not fall into the trap of the BJP, where if you support the Muslims...
I get you, Sanjay Jha. But where is the BJP in all of this? Shakeel Ahmed, nothing to do with the BJP. Rashid Alvi, nothing to do with the BJP. Shashi Tharoor, well, maybe, but he's speaking his mind. He's still part of the Congress party. The BJP hasn't given him an offer. Why would you not... Listen to...
Why are you forgetting Sanjay Jha? What did he do?
Just one article in the Times of India. That was it.
But Navika, here is the point. I mean, I'm actually agreeing with you here, and partially even with Mr. Poonawalla today evening. The Congress needs to embrace the fact that this constitution guarantees everybody in this country an equality, and that includes 200 million Muslims in this country that the BJP is trying to ostracize, including my friend.
But what are you doing to the Muslims within your own party, Ashwini ji? आप उनको भी नहीं बोलने देते हो? Rashid Alvi ji, Shakeel Ahmed ji, where are they going to join the BJP?
We are just very scared.
Navika ji, Congress is 100% democratic party. It allows people to have difference of opinion and still exist in Congress. Having said that, if someone leaves Congress and joins BJP, that means they have killed
North Korea bhi democratic lagata hai naam mein. Ashwini,
which is against Godse, a party which is of Gandhiwadi. When they go and join hands with BJP,
Rahul Gandhiwadi,
understand their moral integrity.
Ashwini, even North Korea calls itself democratic, by the way. So North Korea जैसा democracy है आपके यहाँ पे, ये मैं मानता हूँ.
Shekhar Iyer, I don't know how many decades between you and me. I think a century of experience of covering these political parties. Between us, I think we will have 100 years, if not just getting there very soon. Shekhar Iyer, ये क्या कह रहे हैं? Congress party is a democratic party. And now what we are witnessing with Shakeel Ahmed and Rashid Alvi sahab, die hard congressmen. इनको अगर काटो तो इनका जो अगर थोड़ा सा भी खून का डॉट निकलेगा वो कांग्रेस बोलेगा. उनको ये कह रहे हैं कि ये बीजेपी जा रहे हैं. Is that the only defense they have?
नाविका जी, अश्विनी जी का तपस अभी वहां तक नहीं पहुंचा जहां शकील अहमद का हो गया है. सारे साधना करके तपस करके फिर वो यहाँ पर पहुंचे. Jokes apart, seriously, see all these leaders, even Tariq Anwar was also very upset. And those who have known Tariq Anwar, he has been personally expressing the kind of things that has happened and how the whole Bihar election was messed up. See, the fact is today Rahul Gandhi is guided by a set of aides who do not listen to the feedback that is coming, do not listen to the senior leaders. And whether it is not just about selection of candidates, about everything. So therefore, those who are still opposed to BJP have to keep on supporting the Congress. That's all. But everybody knows, even you showed Madikam Thakur. Madikam Thakur will be the next in that list. If Congress goes ahead and seals with the DMK a poor deal. He has been rooting that they should dump DMK and go with actor Vijay. So the people whom you are showing today, they will be tomorrow's Jaychands because the way it is going. So
But
see, the matter is
absolutely,
very
but
serious.
there has to be an explanation why the Congress is against Congress. The Congress is against the alliance partner. The Congress is against everything that makes them viable in politics. Why, Ashwini Mishra? Do you like losing?
Navika ji, I am repeating again, Congress has representation across religions, across beliefs, across language, across regions. Everyone has a room in Congress, but they all bound by one single ideology, which is Gandhi.
But does Congress have room in the country?
If anyone leaves Gandhi,
That is what I'm asking.
join BJP,
Is Congress becoming extinct in the country, Shehzad Poonawala? कितनी सीटें हैं बिहार में, यूपी में?
अभी
Please, can you
मैं
count?
हाल ही में एक बर्थडे में गया था, वहां पे डायनासोर लगे थे. मैंने सोचा डायनासोर वापस आ सकता है, कांग्रेस वापस नहीं आ सकती. और मैंने संजय भाई को
That's not true. Never live in that illusion, my friend Shehzad Poonawala. That is the beginning of the end in politics.
नाविका, I want to give one good advice. संजय को मैंने पहले भी दिया कि constitute board of peace within Congress. Sanjay will head the board of peace and he will do peace between Shashi Tharoor and Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Vadra, then DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah, उनका भी झगड़ा चल रहा है, then Pratibha ji and Sukhu ji. तो board of peace बना लो, मतलब PEAC, not PIC. Please. वरना शशि आपको लगा पीसेस का बोर्ड बना लो. पीस, बोर्ड ऑफ पीस आप अपना बना लो.
संभाल लो
हैं?
चाची मत बनो, अपना घर संभालो, दूसरे घर में मत झांको.
ये देखो, ये अरे आप इतना मतलब महिलाओं को क्यों बदनाम कर रहे हैं? ये महिलाओं के खिलाफ टिप्पणी की इन्होंने. चाची का क्या मतलब है भाई? चाचा भी ऐसे बोलते हैं, चाचा भी ऐसे बोल सकते हैं.
No, but on a serious note, Sanjay Jha, in the recent past, after all, what is Rashid Alvi saying? Rashid Alvi is making a very, very important political point. In the recent elections, you've seen both in Bihar and in Maharashtra elections, the strike rate of Asaduddin Owaisi is better than the Congress party. Now, please look who you are getting compared to. Asaduddin's party was seen as a fringe party, chote stakes, chota presence, Congress is a national party. But he alone in his party has beaten you in Bihar and in Maharashtra. Rashid Alvi is pointing to that. If you think that Muslims are a vote bank that will stay with you forever, well, they have the options of going to other places which they are going. Isn't that something that is political sense that he's speaking for the Congress's own improvement?
Absolutely. And Navika, let me add a point. The average Hindu in this country is a very tolerant, inclusive person who wants India to always be united and syncretic. If the Congress party embraces secularism and says with pride, yes, BJP, you can call me a Muslim party. Let Shehzad Poonawala come on a program and call me a minority person or minority appeasement and just pro-Muslim. But I will be proud enough to answer him to say I'm doing what any citizen should do, is to protect the vulnerable and the weak and the minority.
Well,
the Congress does not speak in the language.
Be pro everybody, my friend, and that is true secularism. Be inclusive. That is true secularism. The problem with the Congress party, even with you, Sanjay Jha, is you are patronizing. You are patronizing to certain vote banks, the Muslim vote bank. And those people are now getting up and saying, we don't want to be patronized. Abdul Abdari nahi bichhayega. वो अपनी कुर्सी खुद लगाएगा, खुद बैठेगा. The message completely lost on the Congress party. Instead, what are they doing? Shooting their own. People who have Congress in their heart are being shot at. Will you call that political expedience? Well, maybe in Rahul Gandhi's lexicon, the rest of the country can see what's going on in the Congress party. We leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists and thank you viewers for joining me on the News Hour at 9. Good night, be safe. I'll be back tomorrow.
The News Hour at 9 will be right back after the break.